Start.
Matthew's truck.
Matthew's truck.
Ouch, ouch. Matthew's truck.
Matthew's truck likes to go places.
What place is that again?
Rattles along rough, bumpy roads and speeds across smooth, slippery ones. It zooms up high hills and tumbles down deep cliffs again and again. Matthew's truck climbs huge, enormous mountains and splashes into deep, dangerous lakes. It steers through narrow, crooked streets and drives along wide highways where there is no traffic at all. It explores green leafy forests and sneaks under dark shadowy bridges. Matthew's truck likes to go places. It goes everywhere Matthew goes. Uh-oh, there is a bunny on the road. What will he do now?
Pick him.
Yes. And when night comes and other trucks return to the carriage, Matthew's truck pulls into its own private parking place. And what's that private parking place?
Bed.
Yes, right next to Matthew's pillow. And then he goes to sleep. Say bye-bye. Good night. Matthew's truck travels up high hills and down steep cliffs on smooth roads and bumpy ones. Come along for the ride. Dun-dun-dun.